Meaning of idealistic.
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 Idealistic. Idealistic refers to a person or group of people who hold high ideals or principles, often with an optimistic view that these ideals can be achieved in the world. It can refer to an individual who has a strong desire for perfection or who sees things in a utopian way, believing in the potential for a better world. Alternatively, it can describe a more general belief in idealism, such as an approach that prioritizes ideas and concepts over practicalities. Overall, it suggests a belief in the possibility of positive change, but may also suggest a lack of realism or practicality.